So for about a year now, we've heard from the glitterati, Illuminati of technology and startup worlds decry the death of software, and maybe even more specifically, software as a service. Satya Nadella had quite a fevered opinion on this in several different forums, talking about how that software traditional interaction was dead or dying in relation to the rise of AI and agent-based interfaces. So, so the idea being that in a traditional software user experience, somebody goes into a website or an app and they click on a button or they put in a prompt, whether it's a search engine, whatever. That then goes back and references some sort of database or databases to try and provide an answer. But it's either they have the answer or they don't have the answer. But the point is that with the AI and the agents, the idea is that there's a generative aspect to that, which is I have access to these other pieces of data, but instead of just like call and response, which is the user's looking for this information or clicking on this button to retrieve this information from a database, that agent, that AI model can then extrapolate, do some vector math, and generate a response based on potentially several sources of data. So Satya's point was, that is the future, and people are no longer going to want to build and or use software models.